In this video I'm going to tell you about what Amazon is and its history, and as well as the company overview, and which product it sells and the business model it has, and we're going to talk about the basic strategy it follows as well as its marketing strategy, and then at the end, conclusion of our topic. So if you like the video, please share it and subscribe it.
इसीलिए समझ रहे हो समझ रहे हो ना.
So first of all, history. Start बिल्कुल इसका 1994 में start हुआ, ठीक है. Jeff Bezos left his job as the vice president of a Wall Street firm. So he left his job and
Oh my God! Wow!
and moved towards the Seattle, which is in Washington, to lay the blueprint for Amazon. So he made the list of 5 basic products, like first 5 products he wanted to sell. These were like compact discs and computer hardware, software, and videos and books. And basically the main focus was on the books. So in July 1995, Amazon sold its first book online, like selling to all 50 states of the US and 45 other countries as well. So this was the first selling time of like 1995. So it started in 1994 and the first selling it made was in 1995. So here's a company overview. We will talk about what is in the company and where it is, or Amazon is an American-based multinational electronic commerce company, and its headquarters are in Seattle, Washington. It's America's largest online retailer as well. So Jeff Bezos is the founder. So in 1994, as I have told you before, 1994 it was launched, founded, and then it was launched in online 1995. So it started with an online bookstore with 2.5 million titles, and it became the Earth's biggest bookstore as well. So we will talk about the products it sells. It sells books, movies, music and games, digital products as well, computer and office product, electronics, home and garden, grocery, health and beauty products, toys, kids and babies products, and clothing, shoes, jewelry, everything, sports and outdoors things, anything you can say, tools and autos and industry, any equipment you can easily found in Amazon online retailer shop. So here's the business model it follow, Amazon to buyer, business to customer, B2C. So sale approach is like Amazon to buyers, multi-level e-commerce. It contains customer tracking, जिसके लिए easy होता है कि वो easily customers को track out कर सकता है कि whosoever is interested in the online business. So it operates 7 websites that support their business operation globally and offers 20 million items for sale as well. 20 million items, not small amount, it's huge amount. So here's the basic strategy model. It starts from more customers, more customers, more sales and more sellers. Sellers वो जो इसके अंदर रहकर चीज़ों को सेल कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. कस्टमर्स वो हैं जो वो उन चीज़ों को ले रही हैं, और सेल्स वो चीज़ होगी जो सेल का एक ग्राफ जो उनके पास सेल्स आ रही हैं, ठीक है. And the main thing was strategies lower price की strategy इनके पास, larger sections and greater convenience is the biggest strategy they are following. So channels and more distribution, larger each reach. They were channels and more distribution. इनकी जो promotions हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, जिसकी वजह से इनकी जो reach है वो ज़्यादा है online basis पे. Then here is the marketing strategy. It relies on 7 pillars. These are: it freely offers products and services. It uses a customer-friendly interface, as well as it scales easily from small to large. The business which are small can easily move towards larger side. So create awareness for its products, and affiliate program is important in driving visitors. It utilizes universal behaviors and mentalities. It uses existing communication systems as well. So here's the marketing strategy it follows, and like here marketing plan. So marketing plan is basically the thing through which you get the promotion, or you promote your business. So pay per click advertising, like email marketing इनके पास, affiliate marketing इनके like emails के through इन्होंने business शुरू किया, like email send करना, online ads इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा common थे, media promotion events and other things which they follow for marketing plan. So the conclusion is that as the company began with the letter A, so he thought that it would be the largest company. So as Amazon is the largest river, so the founder considered the biggest in the world, as he hoped for his company would one day. So today Amazon is the world's largest online retailer, has published separate websites in different countries, so has acquired multiple organizations and websites, and also offers an international shipping as well. International shipping, not national, but it contains international shipping. So thank you for your listening.